Today we're looking at part number 14-110. This is your 10,000 pound rubber bushing for your leaf springs for 2.5-inch wide springs. You'll find these on Carter axles, Dexter axles, Rockwell American, Alko, Lippert, just about them all. So it has a 3/4 inch ID, as you see. This guy overall is 2.61 long and a little over 2 inches wide. Uses the 3/4 inch bolt, spring bolt, which is real standard, and we have a ton of stock on these. We offer wholesale prices, manufacturer discounts, and you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks.